How to get Etsy sales. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how you can get your Etsy sales. If you have a shop on Etsy and you sell your products, you struggle with selling your products, you want to get more audience and visitors to your store, then this video is going to be for you. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to etsy.com and you will get right here. Etsy is a marketplace that allows us to create our own store and sell products. You can sell products in jewelry and accessory. We have clothing and shoes, home and living, wedding and party, toys and entertainment, arts and collectibles, craft supplies, and vintage products as well. So how you can get more sales to your Etsy, there are different ways we can use. So the first way you can use, if you want to increase the sales of your Etsy store, you need to identify the different trends that are going on. So for that, you can actually go to trends.google.com, which is a free platform. You don't need to go for paid platforms that you have to buy and pay a lot in order to find the trends and the right keywords. You can just go to trends.google.com. You will land right here. Now you're going to go to the explore section and we can search for different trends going on around the world and in our specific niche here, and we will get the best results and we will get an idea what are the different products that are going to sell more. So we just have to enter a term here. First, we will select our country. So now here, you can select any country or you can go for worldwide. So I'm just going to go for a worldwide search here and we can search for any term. Now, if I have a store and I sell, products related to different events and I'm actually looking for the trending products nowadays. So what I'll do is I'll search for maybe back to school products and I want to know that what are the different products that are trending nowadays. So once you enter any of the term here, it gives you the results. First, it gives you a graph where you will be able to see that okay, this keyword was trending in like July last year, but now it's not that trending much, but maybe it has the potential to go up right here after this month, because we know this month is coming up in like 2 3 months later. So what we can do is we can kind of like determine that okay, the graph will go up and we will be able to make more sales. This is how we see that what are the results for this search, and you can see we have different countries. You'll get an idea okay, at this time of the year what are the different percentages of the different searches, and this way I will be able to identify the trends and create such products on my Etsy store. So this is like the first way you can do it, and I wanted to show you Google Trends because a lot of people don't know about this platform and it helps you find the latest products or the latest search. If you have a store on Etsy, the next thing you need to do is, in order to increase your sales, is going to be promotion. Now, you might ask how we can do the promotion, because the promotion is, if you want to run ads, of course, it will charge you money. How you can do the free promotion? For that, we can use Pinterest.com. Pinterest is a social media and a search engine. So on Pinterest, we get a lot of different pins, and these pins are most of the time inspiration for a lot of people. They save these pins to their boards, and there actually are potential buyers. So if you want to promote a business, then I think Pinterest is a really good platform, and without ads, you can do the promotion. How it works on Pinterest is that if you have a store on Etsy, then we will be able, first, we actually used to have this option to connect our Etsy to our Pinterest. Like in our account, we used to have that option, but that option is not available anymore. I think Etsy and Pinterest, broke this integration this year or something. So that is why we don't get that option now. But we can still use Pinterest for our Etsy promotion. How we can do that? Well, it's very easy. You can just go to the create section here and you will create a pin. If you have a, let's say, a jewelry store on Etsy, what you will do is you will save your images from Etsy, your description, and the link, the store link. That's what you need, and you will go to your Pinterest. You can create pins related to your product. If I have dresses I sell, so what I will do is I'll just create pin related to the dresses, and you don't have to create a pin directly saying that this is my product, buy it. We don't do that on Pinterest. It's a little different and it's a subtle promotion that we do. So what happens is I will create a pin. Let's say I have a store, so I'll say best summer dresses that you should check out. So that's what my pin will say. I will add different dress pictures from my store here, and it's going to be a very attractive pin that people will click on. They will check out the pin. They will read the title. In description I will mention the dresses that they should check out, and then I will give them a link. So at the bottom here on Pinterest, we have add a destination link option. Now here we can add the link for a landing page. We can add a link for our Redbubble or Etsy store. So what you need to do is you will actually get the link of your store from Etsy and paste it right here. So then you will create a pin, of course, and on Pinterest, let me actually show you how Pinterest works. So let's say I have clothes, right? So what I'll do is, or maybe let's say we have a jewelry, so I can just go with the word necklace here. So it's a search engine, and you can actually get an idea at the top searches in Pinterest as well. The same thing we did on Google Trends, we can actually get an idea what kind of jewelry people are searching for, what kind of necklaces people are looking for, and you will get the results here. Now you can see we have this necklace, and it's an eBay link right here. So this is what we need to do as well. We'll add the picture of our jewelry that we have on Etsy, and we add the link of our store in the description. Now you can see people are saying, I love it, it's so pretty, how to buy it. And then, of course, they're going to go to that website that is mentioned to buy this necklace. So that's how it works on Pinterest. Everybody is a potential buyer here. They're looking for different things. So we can promote our, products from Etsy here and increase our Etsy sales. If you want to increase your Etsy sale, the most important thing on Etsy to do is when you're listing a product, make sure to go for the right keywords. Now I'll show you how to increase your Etsy sales with different tips and tricks. First, what you need to do is you're going to actually use the right keywords. Let's say I sell clothes. Now I will write the word hoodie. Now you can see the first word I see is hoodie, and then I see hoodies and sweaters, then I see hoodies for men, hoodies for women, and then we have hoodie women, hoodie men, parent, and others. But let's say I go with the word hoodies for kids. Now, so if I compare this keyword with hoodies men or women, it has less searches. So I will get an idea that, okay, I need to go for men or women, not kids. Then I can go with the comparison for women and girls. So the women has more searches than the word girls. So I'll go with this one so that people click on it. And if your product has the right keywords, it will land higher. And of course, the things that we see first, the things that are on the first page sell more as compared to the others. It's pretty simple actually. You can see I see all of the products here, and I will explore these. I will like this one, maybe this one here, and I'll just scroll down, and maybe I'll go to the second page of, you can see we have more than 8 pages. Maybe I'll go to the second page or third, but no one goes to the 7, 8 page or 6 to explore. So what happens is these hoodies will get more sales. And why I am seeing these hoodies at the top, because these hoodie have the word hoodie for women in their title. So that's what you need to do as well when you're creating a product on Etsy. Make sure to choose the right keywords. And how to search for these keywords, you can go to Google Trends or Pinterest, or use Etsy search bar to search for the right keywords to add and work on the SEO. The more improved SEO you will have for your store, the more sales you will be making. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up or leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.